Hello friend, today in this video we are going to learn how to add router iOS image in GNS3. For this lab, I have already you can see I have storage all the iOS image for the routers on my desktop. Okay, if you want this ISO file, I can share it. I can share my Google Drive link with you. Okay, in the description. So please don't forget to see the description. Now, how to add this image? So first open the GNS3 and give project a name. Suppose add router. Okay. Then click on OK. Once it's done, now you can see in the router section by default you can't see any routers here. Okay. You can see in the router section also you can't see any option here. So what you actually need to do is go to top at the edit option. There you see preference. Here in the preference, you can see iOS routers. Okay. So what you need to do, just click on iOS router, then click on new. Then it will ask you for the iOS image. Browse the iOS image. Just click on the browse option and go to the desktop where you have saved the file. Here is my ISO file, all the ISO file. So whatever you want to install, you can easily install from here. Suppose I want to install this first one. So just select this one, click on yes, next, click on OK, and you can see this option. Just click on next. If you want to change any name, you can change. Click on next. By default, it's giving default RAM 160 MB, which is more than enough. But for more smoother experience, I am giving 256 MB. Click on next. Now here you can add more interfaces to the router. By default, this one is available here in this case. So you can see this option, this interface, only this interface is available inside this router. So just click on next. Now more interface available here. You can add and you can select from here. Then click on next. Now click on ideal PC finder. Okay. So every router need to save this ideal PC value for itself. You don't have to manually select. Let this software find itself the ideal value for this PC. Now just click here ideal PC finder and it will automatically select the value which is perfect for this system or which is perfect for your system. Okay. Remember, this value could be different for different machine. It means it could be different for me and it could be different for you. So be careful. Just click on ideal PC finder and let your system do this task. Just wait patiently. Yes, what you see here, ideal PC value, you can see 0 multiply 806 18B54 has been found suitable for your iOS image. It means for this particular iOS image, this value is suitable in my case. Okay. So just click on finish and done. You can apply. Okay. And now this image has been added. You can see in the router section. You can go to the router section. You can see this router image has been added. Okay. Similarly, if you want to add more routers, you can go to edit. You can go to preference. Then you can go to iOS routers. Then go to new. Go to the new image. Browse the image. Suppose this time I want this one. C7200. Click on open. Yes. Next. Okay. You can see here. And just click on next. 512. Just give more. 1024 because I have more RAM. So I want smooth experience. That's why I'm giving this one. Click on next. It's saying that limited to 512 MB. It means you can't give more than 512 MB because that is the maximum value. 512 MB, 512 MB. That is the maximum value for this maximum RAM value for this router. So just select this one. Now you can add the interface from here. Okay. So you can select as more interface you want. Okay. And then click on next. Then click on ideal PC finder. And this will find the value for this one. So what you need to know, you just need to wait and PC will automatically find the ideal value. Done. Okay. Finish. Apply. Okay. And done. Now you can see these two routers. Now these two routers are available here. You can use them. You can connect them, whatever you have. Okay. And you can perform the lab. You can perform the lab of networking like CCNS, CCNP, network security, even some cyber security lab also you can perform in this. So thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.